Have you ever wondered why we miss the very people who broke us? It sounds illogical, almost stupid, right? Yet the human heart doesn't follow logic. It follows memory, attachment, and emotions that were built long before the hurt happened. When someone becomes a part of your daily life, your routines, your jokes, your silence, your comfort, the mind stores them like a habit, and habits don't disappear overnight. So even when the relationship ends painfully, your brain still remembers the version of them that made you feel safe, not the version that caused the pain. That's why missing them doesn't mean you want the hurt back. It simply means your mind hasn't learned how to live without the pieces they once filled. Another reason we miss hurtful people is something psychologists call trauma bonding. When love and pain come from the same person, the emotional roller coaster creates a strange chemical attachment. The highs feel incredibly high, and the lows feel unbearably low. Your brain becomes addicted to the emotional reward that follows the hurt, like when someone apologizes, promises to change, or gives affection after pulling away. This cycle tricks you into believing the relationship is special, deep, or meaningful, when in reality it's just unstable. But because your brain is wired to chase comfort, not truth, you keep longing for them even when they were never good for your peace. We also miss hurtful people because they often connect to some unfinished story inside us. Maybe they gave us attention we never received before. Maybe they made us feel seen, heard, or valued in ways others didn't. Maybe they touched wounds we've carried for years. Wounds we didn't even know existed. So when they leave, it doesn't just feel like losing a person. It feels like losing healing, losing hope, losing the version of ourselves we thought we were becoming. The pain becomes mixed with nostalgia, and suddenly even the memories that should make us run start feeling like home. And sometimes we miss people who hurt us simply because we're human. We forgive easily. We remember the good more than the bad. We romanticize the happy moments and blur the painful ones. We hold on to potential, not reality. We hope people will change, that things will magically get better, that the ending of the story could be different. Missing someone doesn't mean you're weak. It means you loved deeply. But loving deeply doesn't mean you should return to the same fire that burned you. The truth is, missing someone is not a sign to go back. It's a sign to heal. Your mind is adjusting to the absence of something that once felt familiar, and healing takes time. When you miss someone who hurt you, remind yourself of what you truly deserve. You deserve consistency. You deserve peace. You deserve someone who doesn't make you question your worth. One day the missing will fade. The memories will lose their power, and you'll look back and realize that losing them wasn't the end of your story. It was the beginning of your strength.